was, passionate about beers, and that's what gave me the itch to, try this out in India. It is important that if you have that itch, you should try your level best to get you out of the system. So that's how the entrepreneurial journey started, right? It was just like being smitten by an idea and then going for it. As Steve Jobs says, right? Like, you can only connect the dots looking backward. So it was a bit of a jump from what I was doing in my corporate life. But yeah, well worth it. It has its ups and downs. It has its own kind of anxiety and stress. But I would say that it evolves you in a very different way. See, if you look at hospitality, food and beverage, these sectors require a lot of patience and perseverance by design. So I think what I saw from the school that you've said is it's a 4-year course. So it's I can sense that it's going to have a lot of rigor. I would also suggest to everybody that it is good to think of new ideas, but at times it is helpful to go through the rigor of a formal environment. Kind of skills or the life skills that you learn while working in a formal environment, I think would help you a lot in your entrepreneurial journey. So I would say that stick to your guns, because life throws a lot of lemons at you. But if you are able to build your skill set in a certain way, and if you focus on the training, I think then you are primed for success eventually, sooner or later.